How to change background on PS5. First of all, on the PlayStation 5 home screen, you want to scroll up on your left stick or the D-pad and then go to the top right hand corner where you see your profile. Click X on your profile picture, then click, after going down, onto profile. On your profile, you can go along until you see this section here where it says edit profile. Go ahead and click on that. Then scroll down to cover image. That's going to mean background. It's the same thing. So on the cover image / background, you can go ahead and click on what you want for this. There's different type of variations you can do. You can do screenshots from your game. You can also get trophies, all different things from the game that can be unlocked. Let's say you unlock something from completing an achievement in one of the games, that'll be there too. So whatever you want, click on it. Then you want to click OK on it. Then you'll be able to size it to where you want, position it. There's a few different things you could do down there in the settings. But once you're done, click Save in the bottom right hand corner. Then you'll be done, and that will change your background on your PlayStation 5. Leave a like on the video if it helped. Subscribe for more helpful videos.